Peace to this house. Welcome to our channel, uh, Deliverance. Daily Deliverance, your daily source of deliverance prayers, Catholic prayers in pursuit of happiness. So, January 4 for the Book of Saints, Saint Elizabeth Ann Seton. Saint Elizabeth Ann Seton, the first American saint, was born in New York City in 1774 of a wealthy Episcopalian family. In 1794, Elizabeth married William Seton, and they were blessed with five children. In 1803, during their trip to Livorno, Italy, William died. Some Catholic friends displayed such a great kindness to the young widow that she became interested in their faith. In 1805, despite a strong opposition from her relatives, she became a Catholic. 3 years later, she opened a grade school in Baltimore. The following year, she established in Emmitsburg, Maryland, the first house of what later grew into the Congregation of the Sisters of Charity of St. Joseph. Elected the first superior of the order, she held that office until her death in 1821. The Sisters of Charity laid the foundation for the parochial school system in North America. Okay, so that's the Saint Elizabeth Ann Seton, Holy Woman, 1774 to 1821. So let's offer a prayer in honor of Saint Elizabeth Ann Seton. In nomine Patris et Filio et Filii et Spiritus Sancto. Amen. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Ave Maria, gratia plena, Dominus tecum, benedicta cum mulieribus et benedictus fructus ventris tuae, Iesus. Sancta Maria, Mater Dei, et nobis peccatoribus, nunc in hora mortis nostrae. Amen. Gloria Patri et Filio et Spiritui Sancto, sicut erat in principio, et nunc et semper, et in saecula saeculorum. Amen. Nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Amen.